Buddha stated very clear, if you harm other, you get negative consequences. If you help other, you get positive consequences. Very simple. So action. Therefore, ahimsa come. If you harm other, you get suffering. If you help other, out of compassion, you get a benefit. That is simple. And then, I think, in the society, bring more equal, particularly the poor people. Now this gap, rich and poor, very sad. At global level, at national level, within India also, you see, there is quite a serious gap, rich and poor. So in this field, your profession, rule of law, I think you also very important part to bring more equal. Under the rule, under the law, everybody, same.